Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best car leather cleaners to keep your interior looking like new. Leather adds luxury to any ride, but dirt and grime can dull that premium feel fast. I've researched and tested these formulas to find the ones that truly protect and restore. From gentle pH-balanced solutions to powerful stain removers, you'll see which options deliver that showroom finish without damaging your seats. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Griot's Garage 3-in-1. The Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic wax and sealant is perfect for enthusiasts who demand superior shine and lasting protection in a single, effortless step. Featuring a unique blend of carnauba wax, polymers, and SiO2 ceramics, this advanced formula delivers a deep, wet gloss while providing exceptional durability against the elements. Made for ease of use, it applies and removes with minimal effort, saving you valuable time without sacrificing professional-grade results. Whether you are protecting a daily driver or a weekend show car, its synthetic sealant bonds to the paint for months of defense against UV rays, dirt, and water spots. The versatile spray works beautifully on paint, trim, and glass, leaving a smooth, slick finish every time. Griot's Garage 22 ounces. The Griot's Garage 22-ounce product is perfect for automotive enthusiasts who demand professional-grade results in their detailing routine. Featuring a precise and controlled sprayer, this bottle delivers an even mist that reduces waste and ensures thorough coverage on every application. Made from durable, chemical-resistant materials, it is built to withstand frequent use with heavy-duty solutions without cracking or leaking. Its generous 22-ounce capacity allows you to tackle large jobs without constant refills, saving you time and frustration. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, even when your hands are wet or soapy, giving you full control during use. Whether you are applying wax, polish, or a quick detailer, the Griot's Garage 22-ounce bottle combines reliability and convenience, making it an essential tool for any serious car care enthusiast. Griot's Garage 3-in-1. The Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic spray wax and sealant is perfect for enthusiasts who demand show-stopping shine and lasting protection without the effort of traditional waxing. Featuring advanced SiO2 polymers and ceramic technology, this versatile product cleans, polishes, and seals in a single step, saving you hours of labor while delivering a deep, glossy finish. Made from premium ingredients, it bonds to any paint surface, creating a durable hydrophobic layer that repels water, dirt, and contaminants for months. Its easy spray-on, wipe-off application ensures a streak-free result on paint, glass, and trim, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned detailers. Whether you're maintaining a daily driver or a weekend cruiser, this essential formula provides superior protection and a brilliant shine. Adams Polishes. Adams Polishes is the ultimate choice for automotive enthusiasts who demand show-stopping perfection and superior paint protection for their vehicles. Featuring cutting-edge ceramic and graphene-infused formulations, these premium products deliver unmatched gloss, durability, and hydrophobic performance that lasts for months. Made from high-quality, pH-balanced ingredients, each formula is designed to be safe for all paint types, glass, and trim, ensuring a streak-free finish every time. Whether you are performing a full detail or a quick maintenance wash, Adams Polishes simplifies the process while elevating your results to professional-grade standards. Its easy-to-apply sprays and rinseless solutions save you time without sacrificing a deep, mirror-like shine. Air Jungles. The Air Jungles is the perfect solution for plant enthusiasts and busy individuals who want to bring vibrant greenery into their homes without the hassle of constant maintenance. Featuring a self-sustaining ecosystem, this sealed terrarium requires no watering or pruning, making it an effortless way to enjoy nature indoors. Made from high-quality, hand-blown glass, its sleek and modern design complements any decor style while showcasing the lush, layered landscape of moss, ferns, and pebbles within. Equipped with an airtight lid, it creates its own water cycle, ensuring the plants thrive with minimal intervention. Its compact size fits perfectly on desks, shelves, or tabletops, adding a touch of tranquility to any space. Weiman. Weiman is the perfect solution for homeowners and professionals who demand a spotless, streak-free shine on their glass, stainless steel, and hard surfaces. Featuring a powerful, ammonia-free formula, This premium cleaner effortlessly cuts through grease, fingerprints, and grime without leaving behind harsh chemical residues or unsightly streaks. Made with advanced cleaning agents, it delivers a superior, crystal-clear finish that enhances the natural beauty of your surfaces while protecting them from future smudges. Whether you are polishing kitchen appliances, bathroom mirrors, or glass tabletops, its versatile performance ensures every surface gleams like new. The easy-to-use spray bottle provides precise application, making each cleaning task quick and efficient. Armor All. Armor All is the perfect solution for drivers who want to protect and enhance their vehicle's interior and exterior with a single, trusted brand. Featuring advanced UV protectants, this formula shields dashboards, trim, and tires from harmful sun damage and cracking while restoring a sleek, like new shine. Made from a superior blend of conditioning agents, it penetrates surfaces to prevent fading and drying, ensuring your car looks its best for longer. Equipped with an easy-to-use spray or wipe application, it delivers streak-free results without sticky residue, saving you time during routine cleaning. Its lightweight consistency covers large areas efficiently, making maintenance effortless for busy car owners. Armor All. Armor All is the perfect solution for drivers and car enthusiasts who want to restore their vehicle's interior and exterior to a showroom-quality shine with minimal effort. Featuring a proprietary formula enriched with UV protectants, it shields surfaces from harmful sun damage, cracking, and fading while delivering a sleek, non-greasy finish. Made from advanced conditioning agents, this product deeply penetrates vinyl, plastic, and rubber to rejuvenate their appearance and extend their lifespan. Equipped with a versatile spray mechanism, it allows for even application across dashboards, tires, and trim without streaking or residue. Its lightweight consistency ensures quick absorption, leaving a durable protective layer that repels dust and grime. Leather Honey UV. Leather Honey UV is the perfect solution for anyone seeking to protect their leather investments from the sun's damaging rays. Featuring a unique formula that combines deep conditioning with powerful UV blockers, this product prevents fading, drying, and cracking caused by prolonged sun exposure. Made from premium, non-toxic ingredients, it safely nourishes and restores flexibility to all types of leather, including car interiors, furniture, and handbags. Its easy-to-apply spray ensures even coverage without leaving a greasy residue, keeping your leather looking vibrant and feeling soft. Whether you are shielding your car seats from daily glare or preserving a cherished leather sofa, Leather Honey UV offers superior protection and long-lasting care. This essential conditioner is a must-have for any leather owner who values durability and beauty in equal measure. Leather Honey USA. Leather Honey USA is the perfect solution for anyone seeking to preserve and restore the beauty of their fine leather goods, from furniture and auto interiors to handbags and shoes. Featuring a unique, all-natural formula that has been trusted since 1968, this premium conditioner deeply penetrates to rejuvenate dried-out leather without leaving a greasy residue. Made from a proprietary blend of oils and emollients, it effectively cleans, softens, and protects while extending the life of your investment. Whether applied to a worn jacket or a new car seat, its easy-to-use application ensures a uniform, supple finish that resists cracking and fading. Lightweight and concentrated, a single bottle lasts through countless applications, offering exceptional value.